Millions of devotees today took the Amrit Snan at the Triveni Sangam on the auspicious occasion of Magh Purnima. By 6 a.m., over 1 crore pilgrims had taken the sacred bath, with the numbers only expected to spike throughout the day. To manage the massive influx of pilgrims, authorities declared the area around Mahakumbh Mela venue a no-vehicle zone, and Chief Minister Yogi is personally monitoring the situation on ground.
It's the auspicious day of Magh Purnima, and lakhs and crores of devotees are coming to Sangam Ghat to take a holy dip. On my right hand side is the Sangam Ghat, and you can see a large number of devotees. They have started coming to Sangam Ghat to take the holy dip. You can see that how people, they are moving towards the Sangam nose point. Over there in the end is the Sangam nose point. People are coming from one side and they are moving towards the exit point after taking a holy dip. Strict measures have also been taken to ensure an error-free snan to take place in Mahakumbh on the day of Magh Purnima. You can see the barriers, the different kind of barriers have been placed to create a diversion so that people can easily come in and move out of the Sangam area. So I'll ask my cameras to zoom in the barriers. You can see that how these barriers, they are creating a diversion. People are coming from this side and then they are moving from the other side to take an exit from the Mahakumbh area camp. So on the Magh Purnima day, the entire Mahakumbh area has been converted into a no vehicle zone. Strict measures are in place to ensure that the Magh Purnima Snan is an error-free, and crores and thousands of devotees, they are coming to the Sangam Ghat to take a holy dip on the auspicious day of Magh Purnima.
As millions of devotees gather in the city for the sacred Snan at the Triveni Sangam, the Uttar Pradesh government has deployed extensive security measures to ensure a smooth and safe experience at the Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. Over 10,000 security personnel deployed to ensure safety and maintain order, including 28 provincial civil service officers and 3 joint magistrate rank IS officers. The UPPCL chairman has been given the responsibility of ensuring that the arrangements are up to mark, and a wide network of CCTV cameras have been set up to enhance security.
See, traffic situation in Prayagraj and Kumbh Mela area is quite good now. We are fully geared up for our duties. Police has been deployed at all the sensitive locations, and today or yesterday or in the past so many days we have not experienced any pressure points of crowd, and crowd is being regulated in a well coordinated manner. You can see on the screens of our command and control center that all the major points from where the crowd is entering or the crowd is exiting, they are well regulated. There is no traffic jam anywhere inside the Kumbh Mela premises or on the routes which are coming from the city for the Kumbh Mela premises.
देखिए, कल रात्रि से ही पौष पूर्णिमा का जो हमारा आज का स्नान है और बहुत सकुशल रूप से संपन्न हो रहा है। लगातार श्रद्धालुगण आ रहे हैं और लगातार स्नान करके और वापसी भी हो रही है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी लगातार स्वयं मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं और निर्देश है कि सभी श्रद्धालुओं को उचित प्रकार से उनका आवागमन रखा जाए, किसी प्रकार की परेशानी उनको ना हो और स्नान करके सकुशल उनकी वापसी कराई जाए।
The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, is personally monitoring the arrangements on ground. From early morning, he convened a meeting in the war room from 4 a.m. this morning. Accompanied by the DGP, Principal Secretary, Home and Chief Minister's Secretariat officials, he continuously reviewed live updates on TV, issuing necessary instructions in real time. Chief Minister Yogi instructed officials to maintain tight security at the bathing sites and to make all necessary arrangements for devotees. He emphasized enhancing administrative preparedness, particularly in security measures and traffic management, to facilitate a smooth and hassle-free holy dip at Triveni Sangam for crores of devotees. But even as devotees hail the government, political showdown on the Kumbh preparations continues to rage, with both accusing the BJP-led government. The opposition is accusing the BJP-led government of poor traffic management and lack of preparedness to handle the massive influx of pilgrims. Accusing the Yogi Sarkar of complete mismanagement, the opposition said that the government is to blame for the chaos and disorder on ground.
सरकार इस समय सब छोड़कर एक काम करे कि जो लोग वहां हैं वो कैसे बाहर वापस लौट के जा सकें। इस पर प्रथम प्राथमिकता और वरीयता दे, जिससे न भगदड़ मचे और जो लोग वहां पे फंसे हुए हैं सरकार उनकी सहायता करके निकाले।
ये तो सरकार इसके लिए जवाबदेही है, हम तो विपक्ष के लोग हैं, हम तो जवाब नहीं दे सकते। ये तो सरकार इसके लिए जवाबदेही है, हम तो विपक्ष के लोग हैं, हम तो जवाब नहीं दे सकते।
All right, we had some breaking inputs coming in. There is no end to politics on Mahakumbh. Akhilesh Yadav has slammed Uttar Pradesh Sarkar, says blunders by double-engine government. Says the logjam in Prayagraj is the real image of Vikasit Bharat.
क्या यही विकसित भारत की तस्वीर होगी जिसमें आप ट्रैफिक मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? आप जो डिजिटल इंडिया की बात कही गई थी वो कहां है? जो लोग अभी तक इस बात की डिजिट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं कि कितने लोगों की जान गई है, कितने लोग वहां पर खो गए हैं, ये जनता को धोखा दे रहे हैं 4 इंजन की बात कर करके। क्योंकि जब उत्तर प्रदेश को देखते हैं तो वहां पर जो डबल इंजन की सरकार चल रही है वो डबल ब्लंडर कर रही है। उनके डबल ब्लंडर देखने को मिलने हमें।
All right, so the opposition's attack on the Yogi government continues. We have Adeep joining us on the broadcast. Adeep, Akhilesh Yadav saying the double-engine government is committing double blunders. He says the log jam or the traffic jam is the real image of Vikasit Bharat.
Well, Kuswati, see the opposition from time and again, they have been raising questions on the preparations for Mahakumbh. Even before the Mahakumbh started, it was the Samajwadi Party and its their chief Akhilesh Yadav who had been raising allegations against Mahakumbh, saying that the government hasn't prepared for Mahakumbh and they haven't done the adequate amount of preparation for the Mahakumbh. But it's quite obvious when crores of people they are visiting daily Mahakumbh, there can be some kind of traffic congestion in the city and in and around the Prayagraj border. In fact, when there was a traffic jam situation, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he was closely monitoring the situation himself. He gave orders to the officers that the police personnel, they should be deployed on streets, ensuring that the traffic jam around the state highways should be clear immediately. And this is what happened. In fact, when the people enter Kumbh, they have to park their vehicles in designated parking spots, and then they all have to walk towards the Sangam Nose Point. In fact, as you can see in the visuals, all these people, they are walking towards the Sangam Nose Point. They have parked their vehicles and they are moving towards the designated parking spots. So the government claims that they have done arrangements for the devotees, those who are coming, so that they can take the holy dip very easily and comfortably, and then they can move out of the Mahakumbh area.
In wake of the Maghi Snan, it's a no vehicle zone. The government says we've taken all the measures. Officers are on ground managing the crowd and the traffic as well. But the opposition continues to attack the government and its management. Now, countering the charges, the Chief Minister has accused the opposition of spreading negativity and pushing anti-Sanatan propaganda.
और नकारात्मकता फैलाने वाले कौन लोग हैं? ये नकारात्मकता फैलाने वाले वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने जीवन भर बीबीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट लिया है सरकार की, बीबीआईपी सुविधाओं का उपभोग किया है, और किया ही नहीं, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए भी एक रास्ता खोलने का प्रयास किया था उन्होंने कि वे तो ले ही ले, लेकिन उनकी आने वाली पीढ़ी भी इस सुविधा का उपभोग करे जैसे देश उनका बपोती हो। ये वही लोग हैं जो नकारात्मक पैदा करके भारत और सनातन धर्म के विरोध में अपने आप को सदैव खड़ा कर, सदैव उसके खिलाफ दुष्प्रचार करने में मशगूल रह